place. That's certain reasons.
But me personally, I cannot just do like the whole shenanigans.
I wanted
every day outside, winter outside, summer outside, spring outside.
Yeah. It all began with a text from my friend Darylle. She wasn't feeling too well. I needed a ride to the pharmacy. Little did I know this trip would spark deep conversations about life, struggles, and dreams.
Hi guys.
Hi. Somebody's not feeling good today.
I'm going to Shoppers Drugmart.
To get what?
Make sure you put like and subscribe to my friend's channel. Please. Make sure.
They know. Shoppers. Shoppers on Oxford. Okay. Leaving home to start over is one of the hardest decisions we've ever had to make. It means leaving behind family, friends, and everything familiar to chase a dream of a better life. Every day here is a mix of struggles and hope. Some days feel heavy with challenges and you question if it's all worth it. But then there are moments of hope, small victories that remind us why we took this leap of faith. Today we're sharing a day in our lives, the highs, the lows, and the moments that keep us moving forward. You won't want to miss what's next.
The rents have gone up in London.
You guys are already looking for an apartment?
Yeah, I'm already looking.
Wow. What's making you to want to change?
Mostly I want to start creating content. I need a very good space.
I thought your space is very good. There's lighting and everything.
It is. I'm not complaining. But then, how can I even say it there? It's not giving aesthetic.
I feel like it's giving. I've spoken to your place now. Like your place is giving aesthetic.
I don't know, but for maybe I just need to put things inside. But for me, it's not giving like that aesthetic vibe yet.
So what are you looking at?
It's always one thing or another. Like now my wardrobe is bad. I'm following up with them. Oh please, can you fix it? They are telling me that the carpenter is off leave. I took that man's number. I've been calling the man. He's not responding to me again. After he came and looked at it and told me that I should not worry. He has all the parts that he will go downstairs and take it and come back and fix it. You know that he went downstairs. He never came back again.
You know that guy told me you're taking off leave that particular day. So that's why I'm thinking that he never did it. But anyways.
But he gave me his number before going down. Because I insisted. I was like, how am I sure that you're going to come by? He was like, oh, take my number, you can call me. Okay. I've been calling his number. Okay.
700 King Street medallion, man. I would not advise you guys to stay here. Too bad I'm bullshitting them right now. Because I've been through a lot of shit too myself when it concerns maintenance of their stuff. We pay that much in rent because we don't want them to, we want them to do the maintenance for us.
Yeah.
They're not doing a good job with the maintenance and everything.
It's crazy. And it's just always one thing to another. First of all, it was our sink. After the sink was the bathroom. And then it's not as if when you call them to fix it, they even come on time. I remember the last time I went down there, I had to threaten them about the heater. It was late November, ending November. The heater is not functioning. It was really very cold. You keep going there, they were like, oh sorry, we'll send someone. Next day, we'll send someone.
We send someone every day. They're trying
and hey, I first of all went on Ontario this thing. I saw that you can sue them. The last time I went there, I showed them that according to the law of Ontario, I can sue them because it's more than 2 weeks I've been following up about this heater thing. And if the landlord is not providing heater for the house, I can sue them. Do they know that? The one was like, oh, he has not gotten to that, blah blah blah. She's going to send somebody. And then now that day she actually sent somebody.
Okay, now you told them that you can sue them?
Yes, I told them, I showed them that. Do they know? Maybe they don't know. She said she's aware that he has not gotten to that. I was like, do they know that from this particular, because it's a law in Ontario from the 20 something of September right up to I think March. Every house in Toronto, if you are renting your house, you need to provide heater to the tenants. If not, they can sue you and you pay. And I did not know this when I was doing research that can I sue these people? And I found it. I went downstairs. I told them that do they know that this is a law in Ontario and they are violating my rights? Since I've been coming down here for 2 weeks, that they should come and fix the heater. They are not fixing it. I will sue them. I want to see that after a few hours somebody came and fixed it. I was like, so I have to stress like this and treat you people before people. I don't want to stay there again.
No, I understand your frustration. I'll support you. You know, we have our moving company. It's just one step away.
I'm telling you.
You don't need
the first
chest.
is just find a house.
Yeah, you find a nice place. For me, I'm not going to be looking at cheaper rent again when I'm trying to find a place. I fell into this house because we're looking for cheaper.
Yeah.
So just look for something that is comfy. Those
That's what I was
prices.
telling you. You have to do something that is comfortable.
Exactly.
Like somewhere that the maintenance is good. You can call. They are reliable. They have all the things that we are actually looking for.
You guys will get it. In London, there are many top buildings. 700 King Street, London. Woo. I'm even thinking of moving to Toronto though. Yeah, it's not even about the rent. It's about moving city, man. I feel like Toronto is a fast-paced city. It's a fast-paced city that somebody that is proactive, like a man now. I feel like if you get a man that is very proactive, not stay away from that place because you see that there are many opportunities there.
I'm not even going to lie. For me, for a younger that is trying to like focus and settle down.
For a young girl,
yeah.
Why? Because of the distractions.
Yeah, a lot of distractions, especially if you are not like focused. If you are somebody that is young, don't get me wrong, somebody that is young and you are focused, you are committed, you can obviously do all the hazard in Toronto. But if you are looking for somewhere calm to just reason, especially when you just came to Canada, I will not advise Toronto.
Okay. At the end of the day, right? Everybody has their own perspective about moving to a certain place. There are certain reasons.
But me personally, I cannot just do like the whole like that. Every day outside, winter outside, summer outside, spring outside. After living in London for this long, when you move back to Toronto, you see that now you excel better.
Exactly.
Somewhere that just came.
And they just went there.
Mentality.
Oh yeah.
Cameroonians in Toronto are not even encouraging you to work hard, respect.
No way. We need to go and conquer that city.
When I came to London, I want to engage
the pharmacy. I'm thinking of making a move, whether it's from London to Toronto or the other way around. It is very, very important that you reflect on your motivations. Are you seeking for career opportunities? Are you seeking for a slower pace of life? Or is it simply just for a change of scenery? Toronto offers vibrancy and connections, but it comes with a lot of distractions and a higher cost of living. That's what Darylle is saying. But on the other hand, London provides calm and affordability, but it may feel too slow for some people like me. Wherever you're headed, just research about the lifestyle, plan your budget, and think again about what aligns with your goals before you make the move.
There's this idea that I always get now, the way the team works now.
Oh, you need something that you take that always works. That's one that's aspirin.
Let's check this.
Trust me, walking to the pharmacy now just hit me how much we really rely on health and wellness to keep moving forward. This is just a reminder that we have to prioritize our health, not just in case of emergencies, but as a daily habit. Sometimes even simple lifestyle adjustments of drinking water often or getting enough sleep can really save us costly trips to the pharmacy. Canada says they have free healthcare system, but it doesn't cover everything, and today we are baffled with the prices of basic medication. It really makes you wonder how accessible healthcare it truly is. But beyond the sticker shock, it's inspiring to see how many options are available in this supermarket, in this pharmacy, to improve health and well-being. Investing in prevention is always better than cure.
Canada is so expensive. 2 medications were $55.
Are you sure? My goodness, the cost of health, and then you see this free healthcare system here. I don't believe that rubbish.
I see the tax. I thought they removed tax on basic necessities. Why am I paying for tax on medication? Like, it's so crazy. Canada.
Guess what? She's just gonna tap, and it's gonna be so easy. But now, oh my jeez, it's $5 for 2. Like that's just like buying Paracet.
Please use PIN pad to complete payment.
That's just like buying Paracet, like Paracet and Eferigan. That's just like buying Paracet and Eferigan.
$5. Now the cost of living in Canada is becoming so
Is the price we pay for healthcare.
I'm telling you, and they're going to free my health.
Nothing is free in Canada, please.
That's what I'm saying. Thank you for like. Oh yeah,
I want people to see how they're doing this. Excellent cutting of puff puff. Excellence. They're doing a good job. Final product, finished product. Why man can't you find? See you fry papa. Yikes. Guys, when we come to this store, mostly Africans and Chinese people come to this store. I feel like Africans and Chinese, they have the same taste of certain things. A lot of African things. Okay. I think I'll take some good meat. Okay. I want to make unkobi. Unkobi, that's this thing. Cow food. Cow food with that unkobi. You don't know unkobi. You came to the house the other day. You'll get your unkobi. Oh, it's Yehuda. It's goat head. This unkobi is cow food. Yeah. Oh, I make cow unkobi. Yes, I feel like that's what I'll just do. Buy two legs. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, how much? Put one leg. Let me see how much it's gonna cost there. Not the other one. Yeah, this one. This big one. Yeah. Yep. There you go. It's gonna be $27. 29 bucks. Yes, please. Can you cut it for me? Please make it small. It's very small pieces. Thank you. That's going down. Living in Canada has its perks, but the cost of living can be really shocking. From groceries to medications, etc. It all adds up, and it's a reminder that we have to budget wisely and appreciate what we have. Today was a mix of errands and meaningful conversations. Whether it's finding the right place to live or navigating life's course, it's all part of the journey. Thanks for tagging along, and let us know in the comments, would you choose to live in London or would you choose to live in Toronto?